In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart in Canva and download it. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished chart you can share or print, keeping things simple and clear the whole way through. Start by opening Canva and logging in. From the dashboard, click Create a Design and choose the canvas size that fits your project. For example, presentation, Instagram post, or custom dimensions work well depending on where you'll use the chart. Picking the right size up front helps your chart look crisp without needing heavy resizing later. Next, go to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar, type Chart, then browse the options. You'll see bar, pie, line, and more. Pick the chart type that best matches your data and story. As a quick guide, bar charts are great for comparing categories. Line charts show trends over time, and pie charts illustrate parts of a whole. Click your chosen chart on the canvas, then select Edit Chart. A spreadsheet panel will open. Enter your data directly into the cells. Use clear labels for categories and series, and make sure numbers are clean. No extra symbols or trailing spaces. If you already have your data in another spreadsheet, you can paste it in to save time. Keep your data tidy, remove empty rows or columns, and double-check that each column and row aligns with what your chart is meant to show. Now, customize the look. Adjust colors so your bars, lines, or slices are easy to read and consistent with your brand or theme. Aim for high contrast between the background and chart elements, and limit your palette to a few intentional colors to keep it cohesive. Resize and position the chart on your canvas by dragging the corners to scale and moving it into place. Use Canva's alignment guides to center it or snap it to margins for a clean layout. Leave some breathing room around the chart so text and visuals don't feel crowded. Add labels or text by clicking Text. Create a clear chart title. Add axis labels if needed, and include values or annotations for key points. Choose readable fonts and sizes, and align your text so it complements the chart rather than competing with it. When you're happy with everything, click Share, then Download. Choose your preferred format: PNG for high-quality images, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF for documents and printing. Select the quality settings you need, then download your chart. And that's it. Your Canva chart is ready to use wherever you need it.